everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and if you're returning, thank you for watching today's video. So I went through my entire morning routine. I kind of just decided to vlog right now, so you missed my whole morning routine, but basically woke up, made coffee, got ready, got dressed, etc. I could do possibly do a morning routine vlog tomorrow. So I'm looking at my hair. It looks really good in this light. Anyway, I'm wearing this it's like a cotton candy sweater is what I wear it. It's what I call it. Then I'm wearing just like Lululemon leggings and some winter boots because currently we are having a snowstorm. So I love that. I had a ginger shot this morning, but I'm debating if I should have some green juice because I'm feeling kind of like low energy. See if I set you up in the fridge. I made a green juice the other day. I did not show it or anything, but I made it, and it's cucumber, spinach, lemon, ginger. I think that's it, but this is it. And I think I should have some. Hold on. The fridge might close. Hang on. Hang on. I'm gonna get a green straw. The fridge totally closed, so I got a green straw for my green juice. I don't know, I'm weird like that. Anyway, let's see. I made this 2 days ago, I think. I made ginger shots too, but I took one of those this morning. Ooh. Whew. Very ginger lemony. Very ginger lemony. Probably so good for my system though, especially because I feel like I'm getting a cold and I really don't want to be sick right now. So anyway, it's like 11:30 and I'm gonna be going out right now. I have a package that I have to pick up because I ordered clothes. You know me. Obviously, I ordered clothes, so I have a package that I have to go and pick up. And then when I come back home, I'm going to work out and try to just have like a chill night. Probably make like Taco Bowl for dinner, stuff like that. So, all right. I'm going to see how much of this I'm going to make. I think I'm going to try to drink at least half. I'm going to see how much I can down. These are the ginger shots I made, by the way. They are ginger. Okay, we're closing the fridge. Ginger, lemon, and honey. And I just reused these little shot glasses or shot containers. But they're really, really good. And like, I bought ginger shots the other day, and I was just like, because like I didn't feel like making them. And then I had one, and I was like, oh my god, wait, no, my ginger shots are like way better than that. So forced myself to be productive and make ginger shots, and then I was like, well, I'm at it, I'll just make green juice as well. So we've got both of those things. We're on our 2023 health kick, pretending like I didn't eat 2 donuts yesterday. It's fine, it's okay, you know, it's all about balance. It's fine, we're good. Today my workout's like about an hour long. Today I'm doing a complete lower body workout for 40 minutes, and then I'm adding in a 20-minute upper body HIIT session, and then I'll probably add on like a 5-minute ab session or something. Okay, I'm closing the fridge, I know. A 5-minute ab session or something, and then I will be done. So a little over an hour. Yeah, a little over an hour. Anyway, I'm gonna get going and I will talk to you guys a little later. So I have my coat on and I am ready for the Arctic weather because it is really, really snowing. So let's go. Guys, so I'm back at home now and I'm just getting my stuff together to work out. Which mat should I use? We'll use this one. Today I'm doing a lower body workout. So I'm just getting all of my stuff together. I'll show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing this Gymshark bra. It's the Vital Seamless. I don't know the colors of anything, so I don't know. And then I'm wearing these Vital Seamless leggings and then just some gray socks. That's what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna work out now. Hi guys, so I am just watching a show, and I ate my dinner, and I made cookies, and I had a couple of those. I also made a tea. I'm in my new PJ set. Again, I'm in my new PJ set that I got in the mail today. And it's just like this shirt and then these matching pants, and it's so cute and comfy. I might show it to you guys like more when I stand up or in the morning. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make this a few days vlog just because I didn't really show too much of what I was doing today. But yeah, I am gonna get ready for bed soon because I'm getting really sleepy, but I will update you. Hey guys, so this is the whole set. I thought I would show you because last night I just went to bed. I was so tired, didn't even vlog anything, but this is the set from Shein. So it's got like the 3 little bows down the front and then the matching pants. I think it's so cute, and then it's got like the little frilly arms. It's like the perfect material. Anyways, good morning. I'm gonna make some coffee, some breakfast. I'm gonna do some avocado toast this morning. I'm really just trying to have a chill morning because I've been really go like this week. So I'm gonna try to do like my breakfast, get ready, workout routine so I don't have to work out later and I can just relax. And yeah, let's just get the morning going. Just finished doing my makeup. I don't have any lip product on yet, so don't mind how crazy that looks, but I'm also not sure what I'm going to do with my hair. I am going to work out right now, so I usually figure out what I'm going to do with my hair after. But today is an upper body hit session, and then I'm going to add on a little bit of booty and abs, kind of like a 10-minute finisher situation. Wow. Okay, so but yeah, today is an upper body session. And then after I work out, I'm gonna tidy up my kitchen, and then I'm going out again. So yeah, but anyway, that is my makeup as of now. I'll show you guys like after I do my hair, makeup, final outfit after my workout, because I obviously have to pick out a lip for this look. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys, and I'm sorry I forgot to show you my breakfast. Not a good vlogger, but it's okay. Just realized I still have nothing on my lips, but anyway, I just finished my workout. I got changed. I'm wearing this brown long sleeve crop t-shirt with these gray sweats, and right now I'm just gonna clean up my kitchen because it is looking like an absolute disaster, and then I'm gonna just tidy up some things around my house, and that's the plan for right now. Guys, it's the next day. I officially fail as a vlogger. It's okay. This is more of a week in my life vlog at this point. I just finished my hair and makeup. Still have to decide my outfit. Today I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna get coffee. I don't know if there's anything else. It's Friday, so normally I would work out today. Don't mind the music in the back. I just haven't turned it off. I would work out today, but I'm just feeling so like drained and tired lately, and I really want to listen to my body, so I think I'm gonna skip out on today's workout and do my full body weekly stretch tomorrow and kind of just leave it at that. So just wanted to come on here and update you guys. Hi guys, I'm always coming to you from the same spot. But anyway, it's Saturday. I'm gonna end off this vlog because I've been a terrible vlogger, and I'm gonna just start a new vlog right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos from me. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.